Hi there. Heavy enterprise software engineering requires massive compilation speed and deep source code structural indexing. Today, we are deploying an optimized NetBeans development environment to write, debug, and build complex application architectures for zero cost. Let's spin up the workspace. Go to the description notes and pull the core NetBeans distribution package directly from our website. Launching this initial script immediately maps out your system pathways and drops the essential compilation libraries into place. Watch the display as a secondary NetBeans configuration wizard automatically launches on its own. Just let the script link the native runtime environments and register the compiler hooks to the system. Open the NetBeans software interface right from your desktop to see the clean engineering canvas take shape. Let the startup engine scan your workspace to ensure all class loaders and tools initialize with zero lag. Your advanced NetBeans coding engine is calibrated, verified, and ready to deploy massive applications. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start programming like a boss.